Space is vast, cold, and breathtakingly beautiful, but it's also a terrifying place. Beyond the glittering stars and glowing nebulae lies a realm filled with mind-bending dangers, silent killers, and cosmic events so violent they defy imagination. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. Welcome to the most terrifying facts about space. Right now, you're hurtling through space at around 1.3 million miles per hour, without even noticing it. Our solar system is racing around the center of the Milky Way galaxy, dragged along by gravity in an endless cosmic orbit. And that's not all. Earth spins on its axis at about 1,000 miles per hour, orbits the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour, and the Sun itself orbits the galaxy. Space is never still. You might feel like you're sitting still, but you're on a high-speed ride through a dangerous universe, one you can never get off. Space is filled with cosmic radiation, high-energy particles from distant stars and galaxies that can rip through human DNA. On Earth, our atmosphere shields us, but in deep space, these particles become lethal. A single long-duration mission without protection could cause cancer, brain damage, or even death. Then there are solar flares. If a strong enough flare hits Earth without warning, it could fry satellites, black out power grids, and bathe astronauts in deadly radiation. Every year, the moon drifts about 1.5 inches farther from Earth. It's a small shift, but over millions of years it adds up. When the moon was younger, it looked much larger in the sky and created massive tidal waves due to its gravitational pull. Eventually, it will be too far to stabilize Earth's tilt, which could lead to violent climate shifts and unpredictable seasons. Roughly 10,000 light-years away lies a giant interstellar cloud made of alcohol, over 100 billion liters of it. It's located in a star-forming region called Sagittarius B2, and it's filled with ethyl alcohol, the same kind found in alcoholic drinks. But don't get any ideas. It's also mixed with toxic gases and spans hundreds of light-years, unreachable by any spacecraft. Black holes are the universe's ultimate predators. Get too close, and the tidal forces would stretch your body into long strands of atoms, a process called spaghettification. Even light can't escape their pull. Once past the event horizon, nothing returns, not even time as we understand it. Some black holes are millions of times more massive than our sun, lurking silently in the dark, waiting to devour anything that strays too near. 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into Earth, wiping out nearly all dinosaurs and altering the planet forever. That impact left behind a crater over 90 miles wide and released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs combined. NASA tracks thousands of near-Earth objects, but many smaller ones go unnoticed until they're already passing by. A city-sized rock could strike again with little warning. Saturn's iconic rings are breathtaking, but they're vanishing. Every second, thousands of tons of icy particles fall into the planet's atmosphere in what scientists call ring rain. At this rate, Saturn's rings could disappear in just 100 million years, just a blink in cosmic time. We're lucky to live in an era when we can still witness their beauty before they vanish forever. In the vast emptiness between galaxies, temperatures drop close to absolute zero, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, the coldest possible temperature. At that point, atoms stop vibrating. Nothing can live or move in such an environment, not even light particles without help. It's the closest thing to true nothingness we know. A dark, silent vacuum that would instantly freeze you solid. Everything you can see, stars, planets, gas clouds, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, invisible and barely understood. Dark matter doesn't emit light or interact with normal matter, yet it holds galaxies together with its immense gravitational pull. Dark energy, even more mysterious, is causing the universe to expand faster and faster. One day, this could tear the universe apart. Gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe, caused by dying stars collapsing into black holes. If one were to aim directly at Earth from just a few thousand light-years away, it could instantly strip our atmosphere and obliterate life. They're rare, but unpredictable, and we wouldn't see it coming until it was already over. What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? The atmosphere would keep moving at 1,000 miles per hour, causing winds that flatten cities and oceans that swallow continents. Mega tsunamis would flood coastlines, tectonic chaos would unfold, and temperature zones would split, one side boiling, the other freezing. Day and night would last 6 months at a time, crops would fail, civilization, as we know it, wouldn't survive. Not all planets have suns. Some are called rogue planets, massive worlds flung from their solar systems, wandering the void in eternal darkness. These planets are icy, lifeless, and nearly invisible. Without a star's warmth, surface temperatures drop to extreme lows. Still, scientists believe some rogue planets may have subsurface oceans heated by internal friction, raising the question, could life exist even here? Contrary to the myth, the moon's far side isn't always dark. It receives just as much sunlight. But what makes it unsettling is how alien it looks. The far side is rugged, with deep craters and almost no smooth maria like the near side. It's silent, untouched, and eerie. Astronauts orbiting the moon lose all radio contact when passing behind it, trapped in a void of silence with no way to call home. Stars live for billions of years, but they can die in an instant. A supernova is a star's explosive death, and it can release more energy in a second than our sun will in its lifetime. If a nearby star exploded, the radiation could strip Earth's ozone layer and cause mass extinctions without warning. The night sky would light up, but its beauty would come with deadly consequences. In space, your body isn't the only thing that changes. Your mind does too. Astronauts often report something called the overview effect, a shift in awareness that makes them feel small, fragile, and forever changed. They see the planet without borders, wars, or noise, just a blue dot in a black sea. It's overwhelming, emotional, and sometimes disorienting. Isolation, weightlessness, and silence can also trigger anxiety, hallucinations, and sleep disorders. Space isn't just dangerous. It messes with your very sense of reality. Space is awe-inspiring, but it's not gentle. It's a place where planets die, light can't escape, and existence hangs by a thread. We may dream of colonizing other worlds, but we must never forget how hostile the cosmos truly is. And yet, in all that darkness, Earth remains our only haven. For now.